We are here at IMTS 2024, heading into the Mitutoyo booth to talk with Todd about Mitutoyo's shop floor CMM, the MiStar 555. Let's get in there to learn some more. Hello everyone, we are here at IMTS 2024 in the Mitutoyo booth with Todd. Todd, we're really excited to be here. You guys have a fantastic booth. Really excited to cover some technology that you guys have in here, starting with the MiStar 555. Why don't you just go into a little bit of a product overview of this machine and give the viewers some details.
Okay, great. So this is our MiStar 555. This machine is a shop floor machine. So it's an entry-level shop floor for us because we have a full product line of shop floor machines and also lab machines. So on this one here, you can see we have it set up with a robot, so we can fully automate with this machine. Shop floor ready. It's not a air-bearing machine. This is an electric machine, so this runs on 110. So a little different than you see with a lot of CMMs.
Yeah. Well, it's great because the footprint's a little bit smaller, so being just 110, you guys can move it, right? Put it on this machine, put it on that machine, and hopefully just be able to plug it in right into power. Exactly,
yeah, you can move this machine. The other nice thing, like you said about footprint, it's so, that shop floor space is so expensive nowadays.
Sure.
We need to minimize as much of that as we can, right?
Absolutely.
So, the other thing is too is the operators. So, well, before I talk about the operators, let me talk about the probing system. So we have a lot of different probing systems that we can put on these machines. So we stand by Renishaw. We utilize Renishaw probing. This machine is actually with the PH 20 probe head. Then we also, which is infinite angles, 5-axis. We also have on our other MiStar here, we have the PH 10 MQ, and we have scanning probes on that, so touch scanning probe.
Wow, yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
And now I know you guys have some unique things on the software side that's a little bit unique to Mitutoyo. Can we talk about that?
Yeah, sure. I think this is really important, Shay, for the shop floor, because operators, we don't want them, they don't have to program the machine, right?
Right.
We want them to be able to just walk up and easily interact with the machine, especially when we put it on the shop floor. So one of the things we have is with our software is we have quick launcher.
Okay.
So with quick launch, what we can do is we can put a picture of the part up there. So the operator can come up and select their part, touch it. It'll show them how to fixture. You can have a picture, shows them how to fixture the part. And then once they get the part fixtured properly, then what they can do is just hit go and the machine will measure.
Wow.
So very easy interface for the operator.
Very easy, a lot of time saved, I'm sure. That's really great. And now going back to the shop floor side, it's a thing now. Everybody's wanting to be able to inspect on the shop floor. Some shops are moving into it quicker than others. What's your advice to shops that are looking to get a CMM, want to do shop floor inspection, but just haven't gotten quite into it yet?
Call Mitutoyo.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
All right.
Start by calling us, yes.
Saving a lot of time. Benefits of shop floor inspection, you want to touch on a couple of those?
Yeah, well, that's one of the benefits of shop floor inspection is that historically we've always had to go to the metrology lab. We've had to drop our part off. We've had to measure, wait for it to get measured and get data back so we could do machine tool offsets or anything like that. Live right on the floor, right next to the machine. We don't have to walk to the lab. We don't have to sit in a queue and wait for our parts to be measured. We can measure our parts immediately.
Right there. And with the machine being on the shop floor, we know that some manufacturing environments tend to have dust, particles, who knows what they're machining inside of their facility. How are you guys keeping this environment clean while you're inspecting the parts?
Right. So a couple things. Number one, it's fully enclosed.
Okay.
So the scales and everything are not exposed to the elements, right? So there's still some basic maintenance you want to do every once in a while. But also, too, the scales on this are fully enclosed scales, too. Okay. So if they do get some dust or dirt on it, they're absolute, so they pick up the measurement.
Fantastic. All right, Todd. Well, if somebody here at the show or one of our viewers is interested in Mitutoyo technology and wants to learn some more, what's the website they can reach you at?
They can reach us at mitutoyo.com.
Fantastic. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're here at the show, please stop by the Mitutoyo booth here at IMTS 2024. Thanks. We'll see you next time.